All right, we got the Rich tire inflator with a vacuum cleaner. This is amazing how tiny and portable this is. It can inflate your car, your bike, motorcycle, ball. So you come over here. We're gonna press the power button, hold it down to turn it on. So it's on. Down here, you can run through the different modes. Right now it's on ball. You can also go to, this is the vacuum cleaner mode. I'll show you how to use that in just a second. Here's bike, motorcycle, car, and ball. There's also this flashlight that will flash as well. So there's a flash mode, and then there's also the SOS mode. So flash, flash, SOS. So there we go. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm actually gonna inflate the tire of my car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, we're gonna attach it, and we're gonna screw it in. From here, depending on what you want to inflate, I'm gonna inflate the car so I don't need any of these attachments. It has the various attachments that you could need. So that's amazing. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna set the PSI. I'm gonna set it to like 34. So let's push it in. And then basically all we're gonna need to do is the power button. So it's inflating on its own. It'll inflate pretty quickly, but we'll come back once it's all done. So as you can see, it shuts off on its own. From here, I'm gonna unscrew this and I'm gonna show you the vacuum mode. So we can just so what we're gonna do, press this button again to get to the vacuum mode, and then here, press power. So the vacuum is right here, and we could just come and just do that. As you can see, it's picking up the stuff right like that, or it's got these attachments. So here's attachment 1 that we can just do it like that. And as you can see, it's just picking stuff up. So that's amazing. There's also this attachment. So we'll put that on. And now, so you can get in the different areas of your car. And as you can see, and then it goes right in there. And you can see some of the stuff in there. And you just, press that. And then to power it off, we're gonna press that again, hold it down, and it's off. The other thing, it comes with this charging cable, as well as this carrying case that you can just slide it right in. So you need to get it, great value, highly recommend.